In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an inexpensive spray can paint mixer. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spray can paint mixer. This was actually brought to my attention from a subscriber, Chris. So thanks, Chris, for the suggestion. So basically what this is going to do is it'll allow you to shake the paint up without having to do it for 2 minutes, because it recommends to shake it up for about 2 minutes on each can, in between spraying as well. But this will help really cut some time down, especially if you're already tired from prepping the vehicle. Like a lot of my vehicles that I've done, a lot of the prep work took all of my energy, and then I had to shake all the cans up. So this is going to be a super inexpensive way to make that happen. It'll also work with these tall cans as well, so that way you can get them done quicker. Now this is a lazier method, but work smarter, not harder, right? And basically all you need is a can. This one was just mixed vegetables. Opened it up, obviously ate the contents, and now we have a can. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using this 1/4 inch drill bit right here, and we're gonna basically just flip this over. Right in the center here, we're going to drill a hole, and then using this bolt right here that I got from the local hardware store, the 2 washers and 2 nuts, we're going to feed it through, bolt it down, and then it will actually go in here. So you can see how that would work. And then after that's done, we're gonna go ahead and mix up this can of paint right here, just the Rust-Oleum 2X paint and primer. Mix it up really well, and then we're gonna paint this thing black. Then we can decorate it and put like spray can paint mixer 3000 or something, you know, just make it fun. But this is a pretty cool little hack if you don't want to have to manually shake these up for 2 minutes each can. So this will definitely save you some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you on the tripod. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're just basically going to find the center here, drill a hole. Pretty simple. Now there will be a little shard of metal. You can easily take that off with some pliers, but it's not going to be a big deal since we have a washer here. Just like that. The washer on this side. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten this bolt down here. I like to double nut. It does make sure that it doesn't come off as easy. It's basically that simple to double nut it. And we're going to stick it in the drill. Alright, nice and tight. So now we'll basically just hold it like this. And it works that simple. Now on the inside here, we could actually put something to kind of cushion it a little bit so it doesn't rattle around, which I might go ahead and do. But we're just going to mix it up a little bit more. Then we can paint this can to make it look a little cooler. Alright, so as you can see, it definitely works pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this can real quick. Okay, well now that we've got everything ready, it's ready for some paint. I've already cleaned it off with brake cleaner. Now I'm just going to do a couple test fires. It's spraying perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to turn the drill on low setting. And we're just going to spray it. All right. Alright, so I'm just going to keep doing this and let it turn so it doesn't run or anything like that while it dries. Shouldn't take too long to dry. This 2X paint dries fairly quick. But after it is dry, we can go ahead and add, you know, anything custom we want to, like letters. I can print some, I can cut some vinyl stickers off on the vinyl machine, put it on there. It'd be pretty cool. But not necessary, just a paint mixer, nothing special. Also, you notice how it's not perfectly round, and that's because it's not perfectly centered. But I feel like that will actually help shake it up a little bit better, because then it's not, you know, just perfectly balanced. It's actually going to make it wobble a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and test one of the bigger paint cans in it. See how that does. We'll go ahead. So go ahead and put it in. Pretty cool. Working. All right. Well, it definitely works. So now I'm going to go ahead and get some vinyl stickers, put it on here, make this thing real official. Okay, so used the Cricut machine that we got from Walmart a couple years back to cut some vinyl. Made these cool little paint mixer vinyl stickers, have the clear transfer on it. Basically, I'm just going to apply it like this, right here. And then peel it off. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now we have the 3000, you know, because it's a paint mixer 3000. There you have it, paint mixer 3000. Works pretty good. Looks real official-ish. It's kind of corny, but I like it. So there you go. But that's basically how you make the paint mixer. It's real simple, real easy, and it's really effective. So I really like the simplicity of this and the fact that it was super cheap. I think the can of vegetables was like 80 cents, and then we've got like $1 worth of nuts, bolts, and washers. So it's pretty inexpensive if you ask me, and it works really well. Now you can just go ahead and shake it up like normal, or you can use the Paint Mixer 3000. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I don't have a whole lot of videos that I can do yet because of the current situation. Can't paint out of the house. City's been on to me, yelling and complaining. So we're working on getting a shop still. It's just been a lot slower than I'd prefer. Every single shop that we do end up finding, someone buys it or rents it right out from under us before we have the chance. So we're still looking, still trying. So just bear with me. I'll try to get some more videos out for you guys as soon as I possibly can. So definitely subscribe, turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload, and stay tuned for more content, because we'll definitely have more content coming out soon. So feel free to browse my other videos, watch my playlist. Maybe there's a video on the channel you haven't seen yet. I've had this channel since 2009 to current, so there is a high possibility there are videos that you would probably laugh at because they were a long time ago. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.